On a certain trip, Edgar drives 231 kilometers in exactly the same time as Erwin drive 308 kilometers. If Erwin's rate exceeded that of Edgar by 13 kilometers per hour, determine the rate of Erwin. Okay. So kung speed, sabi dito, yung Erwin's rate daw exceeded that of Edgar by 13 km per hour. So kunyari, let natin yung speed ni rate yan siya. So speed of Edgar is equal to x. So yung speed ni Erwin, sabi exceeded daw by 13. So x plus 13. Okay, meron tayo. Then, so formula sa ano, di ba? Sa distance, speed, and time, d is equal to dt. Okay. So sabi dito, since exactly the same time, so solve natin ito equation na to by in terms of t. So t is equal to d over v. Bale magiging, meron tayong proportion na d sub 1 over v sub 1 is equal to d sub 2 over v sub 2. So anong binigay dito? Ang kay Edgar daw, 231 kilometers daw yung tinakbo. So kay Edgar yung distance 1, lagay natin dito. So 231 over ano yung speed niya? X. Equal siya sa yung distance 2 natin yung tinakbo nung kay Erwin, 308. Then yung speed ni Erwin is X plus 13. So cross multiply na lang natin to. Magiging 231 times X plus 13 is equal to 308X. Then ito, distribute natin. Plus, ano na yung calculator, 231 times 13 is 3,003. Is equal to 308x. Then, lipat na lang sa kabila. Bali, magiging 3,003 is equal to 308x minus 231. Sorry, 231x. Then, simplify. 3,003 is equal to, subtract natin, 76x. Okay, oh, sorry, 77 another. 77x. Then divide both sides by 77. Maka-cancel to. Then x is equal to, ilan yung 3,000? 3 divide 77, 39. So x natin is 39. Yan tatanong kay Erwin eh. So kay Erwin is x plus 13, so 39 plus 13 is equal to 52. So the correct answer is 52 km per hour. Yung rate niya.